The future of work is being rewritten right before our eyes, and artificial intelligence is holding the pen. No longer a futuristic fantasy, AI has moved from the realm of science fiction to our everyday reality. It's quietly transforming industries, streamlining processes, and even making decisions that were once the exclusive domain of human minds. From the algorithms that personalize our news feeds to the chatbots answering customer service inquiries, AI is subtly but undeniably changing the way we work. This technological revolution is not on the horizon, it's already here. Understanding its impact and adapting to its influence will be crucial for individuals and societies navigating the evolving landscape of work. The integration of AI into various industries is not a destructive force but rather a transformative one. It presents us with a unique opportunity to reevaluate traditional work models, redefine job roles, and create a future where human potential is amplified by intelligent machines. This is not a time for fear or resistance, but for embracing the possibilities and shaping the future of work into one that benefits all. The influence of AI is particularly profound in sectors like finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. In finance, AI-powered algorithms analyze market trends with lightning speed, making trading decisions and managing risk with an efficiency that surpasses human capabilities. This allows financial institutions to optimize investments and provide more personalized services to their clients. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care. Imagine AI-powered diagnostic tools that can analyze medical images with greater accuracy than human doctors, identifying diseases at their earliest stages. Imagine surgical robots performing complex procedures with unparalleled precision, minimizing risks and improving patient outcomes. This is the transformative potential of AI in healthcare. The manufacturing sector is no stranger to automation, but AI is taking it to a whole new level. Smart factories are emerging, powered by AI systems that monitor production lines, optimize resource allocation, and even predict equipment failures before they occur. This leads to increased efficiency, reduced waste, and a significant boost in overall productivity. While AI brings immense potential, it also raises concerns about job displacement. It's true that certain tasks, particularly those that are repetitive and rule-based, are highly susceptible to automation. Jobs in data entry, customer service, and even some aspects of legal and accounting work are at risk of being replaced by AI systems. However, this technological shift doesn't necessarily equate to mass unemployment. As AI takes over routine tasks, it frees up human workers to focus on more creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of their roles. This shift will lead to the emergence of new job categories that require uniquely human skills, such as emotional intelligence, complex problem-solving, and critical thinking. The demand for AI specialists, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI ethicists will continue to grow. Furthermore, roles that require creativity, empathy, and human connection, such as therapists, artists, and entrepreneurs, will remain vital in an AI-driven world. To thrive in this evolving job market, individuals must adapt and embrace lifelong learning. Developing a deep understanding of AI tools and technologies will be essential, even in roles not directly related to computer science. This doesn't mean everyone needs to become a programmer, but rather that a basic understanding of AI concepts and applications will be increasingly valuable. Equally important will be the development of soft skills. Creativity, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence will be highly sought after by employers. These uniquely human skills are difficult to replicate in machines and will become increasingly valuable in an AI-driven workplace. Continuous upskilling and reskilling will be paramount. Embracing new technologies, acquiring new knowledge, and adapting to changing job requirements will be essential for staying ahead of the curve and remaining competitive in the job market of the future. Section 5. The rise of the digital nomad, AI, remote work, and the gig economy. AI is also fueling the rise of remote work and the gig economy. Advances in communication technologies powered by AI are breaking down geographical barriers and enabling individuals to work from anywhere in the world. This opens up new possibilities for work-life balance, geographical flexibility, and access to a global talent pool. The gig economy, characterized by short-term contracts and freelance work, is also being transformed by AI. Platforms powered by AI algorithms are connecting businesses with skilled professionals for specific projects, making it easier for individuals to find flexible work arrangements. This trend is empowering individuals to take control of their careers and pursue work that aligns with their skills and interests. Section 6. Navigating the ethical landscape, ensuring AI benefits all of humanity. While the potential benefits of AI are vast, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations surrounding its development and deployment. One major concern is the potential for AI to exacerbate existing inequalities. If not implemented responsibly, AI could lead to job displacement primarily affecting low-wage workers, widening the gap between the wealthy and the disadvantaged. To mitigate this risk, policymakers and industry leaders must prioritize equitable access to education and training opportunities. Investing in reskilling programs for workers displaced by automation will be crucial for ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the AI-driven economy. Furthermore, it's imperative to address the ethical dilemmas inherent in AI decision-making. Algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on, and biases in data can lead to biased outcomes. Ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems is paramount for building trust and preventing unintended negative consequences. Section 7. Humans and AI, a future of collaboration and shared progress. The future of work is not about humans versus machines, but rather about humans and machines working together in synergy. AI should be viewed as a tool to augment human capabilities, not as a replacement for human ingenuity. By embracing AI as a collaborative partner, we can unlock unprecedented levels of productivity, innovation, and progress. Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses, where teachers leverage AI tools to personalize education for each student, and where entrepreneurs utilize AI to bring their innovative ideas to life. This is the promise of a future where humans and AI work together to solve complex problems, improve lives, and create a better world for all. Section 8. Conclusion. Embracing the future with courage and ingenuity. The AI revolution is upon us, and it's reshaping the world of work as we know it. While there are challenges to be addressed, particularly regarding job displacement and ethical considerations, the potential benefits of AI are too great to ignore. By embracing lifelong learning, developing essential skills, and fostering a mindset of adaptability, we can navigate this transformative period and create a future where AI empowers us to reach new heights of human potential. The future of work is not predetermined, it's ours to shape. Let's embrace the opportunities presented by AI with courage, ingenuity, and a commitment to creating a future of work that benefits all of humanity.